Good morning. Today we would like to discuss business data analysis. In our previous classes, we are just discussed what is meant by data analysis, what is meant by data, and what is the relevance of these data analysis in our business, particularly in our business scenario. Now we will discuss here in detail business data analysis and its importance, and what are the types of data analysis, particularly in our business. See, business analysis or business analytics is a subset of business intelligence. That means a wise decision can be taken with the help of or with the or in the light of clear-cut information clear-cut processed information. So this is possible through what is called data analysis or business data analysis. Then we can say that the business analytics is a subset of business intelligence. How far the decision is crucial, how far the decision is better, and how far the business decision can be wise one based on the data or processed information available we have. It is the process of collecting, organizing data in order to draw useful conclusion. They can utilize statistics, information system, that is MIS, Management Information System, computer science, and operation research. Operation research means techniques and tools which are discussed in our statistics, that is operation research. Then for what these are using to expand their understanding of complex data sets. From this it's very clear. Business analysis is the process of collecting, organizing data in order to draw an useful conclusion. How can be organized, how can be processed by the application of statistics, information system, computer science, and operation or research. Then our decision will be precise. Okay, data analysis is the science of analyzing raw data in order to make conclusion or in order to make a decision about that situation or that information. Information as the indication of the situation. Okay, so that's all about business data analysis. Then what is the importance of this business data analysis in our business, particularly in our business? How it is important? First one, that is a methodology for commercial decision making. That means we are taking a number of decisions in our business day by day based on our available information. So all these decisions are based on the information which is processed with the or in the light of available analysis tools. This is the tool or this is the methodology, this is the way in which we have to take a number of sound decision, healthy decision. Hence, the impact of this decision that is spread all over the organization. Therefore, if we can thoroughly say that business analytics can help to improve the profitability of the organization, not only profitability of the organization, but also to increase the revenue of the organization or to increase or enhance the operational efficiency also. Okay, then another one we have, that is operational efficiency. That means understanding of available primary and secondary data, we can take a sound decision. That means collected data are organized and analyzed internally. This will help know the performance of the employees, performance of the organization, performance of the management, and take a various novel sound decision within our organization. that improve, that enhance our operational efficiency. Then another one, that is competitive advantage. When we are collecting this information from the market, when we are collecting this information from the market, or consumer feedback or customer feedback, we can take a number of decision based on the based on the information available from the customers regarding the availability of the product, regarding the price of the product, regarding the features of the product, regarding the advertisement level. Every aspect we can decide. What will the result? Result is the competitive advantage. Now we are running our business in a competitive era. We can take competitive advantage by taking decision in an appropriate manner. This is possible through this business analysis. See, for example, market understanding, that is possible. Customer understanding, cost reduction, better decision making regarding the availability of the product, new product line, new product services, everything that is possible through this business analysis. That is called competitive advantage. And the last one, that is valuable information. When we are collecting information related to our business or product or customer, whatever it is, that will give some hints and clues regarding our business. It will give some, so it will helps for making or conducting SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, threat and opportunities. That gives some valuable information. This information can be presented in any format to take decisions. So these are all the important advantages or significance of this business analysis. Okay. The next, that is types of data analysis. Types of that data analysis means we have different types to analyze our available information. Which are the types of business data analysis? First one, that is descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis means that describe itself. That is mainly description. Description means that means a description. Descriptive analysis means look at the past data, that give only past data and tells what happened. What happened based on the data. Clear? Suppose we are collecting the result of the students. That will tell us how many students are passed, how many students are failed. That is a descriptive analysis. While we are collecting the marks of different students, this collection of this information, this data will tell us how many students are passed, how many students are failed. That is descriptive analysis. That gives some picture what has happened in previous. That this is a type of business analysis that applies descriptive statistics to existing data to make more accessible to members of the organization. Descriptive analysis can help identifying strength or weakness and to provide insight into the customer behavior. Okay. Then another one, that is diagnostic analysis. We know that etymological meaning of diagnosis. Diagnosis means finding out how it is. Suppose we are collecting marks of different students. Then we are conducting a study how students are failed. Instead of how many students are passed or how many students are failed. We are conducting how, what is the reason? What is the reason? Focusing on the reason, factors, influence. Okay. A diagnostic data analysis that aims to determine why something happened. Clear? Why? Why these students are passed? Why these students are failed? Why the number of students are passed? That gives diagnostic analysis. Okay. Once descriptive analysis shows that something negative or positive, diagnostic analysis can be done to find out the reason. What is the reason? What is the factors that influence? Diagnostic analysis shift from what to how or why. That is the answer of how. That is the answer of why instead of what. The results will give descriptive statistics give some results of what. Diagnostic analysis gives some results of why or how. Okay. Then next one, predictive analysis. We know prediction, predictive, deciding in advance based on our past experience. That is called prediction. Predictive analysis predict what is likely to be happen in the future in the light of the past experience. This type of research trends are derived from the past. Trend analysis. For example, in 2020, this much centimeter or millimeter of rains falling has happened. 22, 23, 24, 25, like that. Then we have a trend analysis. Based on this trend, we can predict what will happen in the near future. Okay, we are always seeing the graph of corona diseases. June 8th, this number of cases happen. 9th, this number. 10th, this number. And based on this information, we can predict in September this much will be happen. So that is called a predictive. Okay, by using this analysis, we can predict our revenue, our growth rate, our exporting rate, our importing rate, etc. can be predicted by this data. An intelligent decision can be taken by using predictive analysis. Only one precaution that we have, the collected data should be normal and accurate, reliable. Okay, then we can take a number of intelligent decision based on this predictive analysis. And the last one, that is prescriptive analysis. Prescriptive analysis is the combination of this descriptive, diagnostic and predictive analysis. That is called prescriptive analysis. That gives a summary of these three analysis. That means that combine the information found from the three analysis and form a plan of action for the organization. How to proceed? How to proceed? That gives some answer. This is this where the data-driven choices are made. Prescriptive analytics goes a step beyond predictive analytics, providing the recommendation of the next best course of action to be done. Okay, these four different types of analytics may be implemented sequentially but not compulsory. When we are doing descriptive, we can go for diagnostic, we can go for predictive, and it will give some suggestions or a way of action or course of action. That's called a prescriptive. So this can be implemented sequentially. In many situations, organization may jump directly from descriptive to prescriptive, but it is not a justifiable method of analysis. Okay, so these are all the types of data analysis, very important. By these words, let us conclude today's class. Thank you.